Hello, we are on lesson 3-5 math message. You're going to complete this on a separate sheet of paper. It says fill in the unit box, subtract, show your work, and explain it to a partner. Fill in the units. What are we measuring in today? Maybe it's juice boxes. Maybe it's marbles. What are you going to fill in there? And then it says subtract 56 minus 24. This is our bigger number and we're taking away 24. Show your work and explain it to a partner. Once you have completed this, you can tell it to a parent, a sibling, a pet, a stuffed animal, whatever you have around you. So put me on pause, solve this how you want, and then unpause me and we'll go over some strategies. Okay. All right, if you are back, that means you have shown your work and completed this before I do my answer. There's a few ways we could do this. Maybe I set it up. I put 56, right? 56, and I'm taking away 24. I stack my 10s and my 1s neatly above and below each other. 6 take away 4. Can I do that? Yes, because 6 is a bigger number than 4. It's greater, so I have enough to take away. If I have 6 and I take away 4, what do I have left? I have 2 left. Maybe I have 6 pieces of pizza and I ate 4. I'd have 2 slices left. Same thing here. 5 take away 2. If I have 5 fingers held up and I take away 2 fingers, I have 3 fingers left. I have 32, and maybe I said, what should we measure in? Cats. So if I had 56 cats and I took away 24 cats, I'd have 32 cats left. What's another way we could have done this besides stacking it up and down? Finding the difference, right? Subtracting is finding the difference. I could have also counted up to 56 from 24. I could have started here and went up. Well, my ones place, how many does it take for 4 to get to 2? Or, oh my goodness, 4 to get to 6. Well, I have to add 2 to 4. So 2. And then how many 10s does it take for 2 to get to 5? Well, 2 plus 3 is 5, so 32. Do I have the same answer? You bet I do. I could have found the difference a different way. I could have said, well, I need to add up how much to 24 to get to 56. Well, I know that 6 plus 4 will get me to the next 10. So what is 24 plus 6? Well, it's 30, right? I could have said 30. And then how much more do I need to get to 56? Because I added 6, right? 6, I added 6, it got me to 30. Well, how much from 30? Well, I know that if I add 20, it gets me to 50. And then how much more till I get to 56? Well, I just need to add 6 more. And I would get to 56. Add these all up. Well, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 20 is 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 20 equals 32. A few different options. Okay, write the way you solved it, and now take a picture and send it to your teacher and hop on over to the next video.